In this tutorial, we will be talking about star stitch. Star stitch, you can make this pattern or your stitch making a dishcloth like what I did. You can use it for your scarf, infinity scarf, or the one with the tassels, or a cowl maybe. You can even use this for a hat. Okay, but for this, I will be teaching you how to make it, so that will depend on you. How are you going to use it? A dishcloth can be a perfect project for this kind of stitch. Okay, so we will be using a worsted weight yarn and a 5.5 millimeter hook. All right, but before that, I would like to give you a little explanation about star stitch. In each star stitch, you will need 2 chains from your foundation to pick up 2 stitches from your foundation. So it depends on how many star stitch you want. Like if you want 6 for your scarf, you will need 12 stitches. If you need 10, then you will need 20 stitches. Okay, for this tutorial, we will be making 12 chain, 12 stitches to pick up, okay? Because each star, as I said, needs 2 chains, okay? All right, so this is how I start. I don't want knots, so I just do like this, wrap it around like that, and consider this as my first chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so with this 12 chain, I can make 6 star stitches. Okay, to start your first one, because we'll need to have 6 stitches in our hook. Okay, so we are only allowed 2 from our foundation chain. So we will add 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have 1 stitch in the hook, and we will pick up 5 more. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we picked up 5 more plus the one that's already in our hook. So we have now 6 stitches in our hook. Okay, now you yarn over and pull that loop all through your 6 stitches, and then lock it with a single crochet. All right. Okay, now the second star, you need, it's tricky because you are only allowed 2 new stitches from your foundation chain, right? So we have to pick up the 4 from, or the 3 now, because we have 1. The 3 from, let me show it to you. Okay, from the eye, that's the second. From the side of your previous star stitch, that's the third. And from the last of the foundation chain that your previous star stitch has picked up, okay, that's the 4th. And then now the 2. 1 and 2. Okay, now you have 6. Okay, yarn over and then pull all through that 6 loops in your hook, and then lock it with a single crochet. Okay, so now we have 2. We'll do it one more time. From the eye, from the side, from the last of the foundation chain of the previous star stitch, and then your 2 in your foundation chain. 1 and 2. Now I have 6 stitches in my hook. Now yarn over and pull that loop all through the 6 stitches in your hook and lock it with a single crochet. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, oops, 2, oops. Be careful because there are yarns that have lots of plies, and be sure to grab all those plies together. And 6. Yarn over and pull through those 6 stitches. Lock it with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have now 6. Okay, pull through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, I should have 6. Okay, now we have 6, and pull all through. And then for the last, you make a half double crochet in that last stitch that you pick up from the foundation chain. Okay, so like that. Okay, half double crochet meaning yarn over, and then get the loop, and then yarn over, pull all through those loops. Now you have now your first row. Now the second part is you go back. All right, before I go back, I chain 2 first. 1, 2, and then yarn over, half double crochet in every eye. In every eye of your row, you put 2 half double crochet. Half double crochet, we have to do that again, sorry. Okay, half double crochet is yarn over, take a loop from that eye, and then yarn over, pull that loop through your all stitches in your hook. And then another one, let's make another one. Yarn over, a loop from the eye, yarn over, pull all through. One more time, and then pull all through. Yarn over, take a loop, pull all through. And I will show you how it looks like after making the 2 rows for the star stitch. It will be pretty. Okay, in the last part, okay, so 2 half double crochet, and you need to end the row with a half double crochet and put that loop, put that hook right at the first side loop of your first stitch that you made. Okay, like that. All right, now if you look at the other side, there is your star stitch, which is very pretty. Okay, okay, let's do it one more time, one more row. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn around, pick up from the side, 2 from the sides, and then the 4th one will be in the hole of your star stitch, 5th and 6th. Yarn over, pull all through loops, and then lock it with a single crochet. One more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over and pull all through and lock. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pull all through and lock. 1. Oops. Okay, as I said, my yarn has lots of plies, so make sure to carry all those plies. 2, 4, 5, and then the last one. Okay, and then make a half double crochet to build your edge. Okay, and then chain 2, turn around. In every eye, you make 2 half double crochets. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,